As part of the Wireless Master Plan, the City of Indian Wells has now released an interactive cell coverage map on the city's website. Checking cell coverage has never been easier. Go to cityofindianwells.org/wirelessmasterplan and click on Cell Coverage Map. When you first access the web page, you'll see a disclaimer pop up. Signal strength is categorized into 4 categories based on decibel milliwatts, the absolute power of a cellular signal. Excellent. A strong connection with the fastest possible data speeds. Good. A solid connection with good data speeds for streaming, browsing, and calls. Cell. Your connection might still work, but data speeds may be slower and dropouts may occur. Cell Edge. Your phone will have a hard time connecting, resulting in dropped calls and no internet access. To proceed to the map view, simply click the box at the bottom left of your screen to agree, then click OK at the bottom right to continue. Once you're in, you can zoom in on the map or enter your address in the search bar on the left-hand side. Once you enter your address, a pop-up window will appear with the location signal classification from AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile. The map includes options to toggle individual layers on and off. For example, if you want to see AT&T coverage only, toggle off the Verizon and T-Mobile layers. You may notice that not all businesses are included on the map. To assess signal strength at the unlisted locations, click on the nearest address point and view the signal strength nearby. For the most accurate and up-to-date coverage information, please consult your wireless service provider. To continue to stay updated on the Wireless Master Plan, visit cityofindianwells.org/wirelessmasterplan.